Welcome back to another Google tutorial with Leslie Johnson, your instructional coach. So today we're going to talk about Google Drive. Now we're already signed in and I can tell by clicking on that little circle that has my face, I can see it's linked to my account, LeJohnson at GISD. So we're good with that. To get to Drive, you want to click on your Google Apps. All of those little squares open up all the apps that we have within our Gadsden G Suite account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Drive to show you what that looks like. At the top, it has something called Quick Access. Those are the documents and files I have used most recently. So for convenience, Google is saying, hey, here they are if you want to work with them again. Below that is folders. So I have a folder for all of my classroom documents, all of my coaching stuff, Google Classroom stuff, and then Screencastify, all these wonderful videos you're getting. What I would like to highlight today is over on the left side. So currently you can see we are in My Drive because that is highlighted. If I click on Shared with Me, I can see documents that other people have sent to me or shared with me so we can work on it collaboratively. So you'll see I have a lot of stuff from our PLC classroom, but I also have some files that have been shared with me and other documents. So make sure you are checking that. I do believe our administrators are using this particular feature to share especially Google Classroom information with you. If I click on Recent, again, that's an easy way for me to see what have I recently been doing in this particular account. If I click on Starred, I don't have anything starred yet, but if I had something really important, let me just go back to my Drive and let's go to Google Tips. And if I decide that this document is my favorite, I want to make sure I have easy access to it, I can click a star. So now that document, that file is starred. So when I click on star, that's going to be the only thing there. And if you click on trash, you get to see anything that you have trashed most recently. So if you didn't mean to trash something, you can still recover it. All right, that was a quick tutorial about how to use Google Drive. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.